In this video, I'll show you how you can fix mouse cursor disappears when playing games in full screen. What you want to do first is come here and search for mouse settings. Go to additional mouse options and this will open up your mouse properties. In here, go to pointer options and make sure you disable display pointer trails. So keep this one disabled, then close it down, right click, refresh, then right click on your desktop and go to display settings. In here, make sure your scale and resolution is on the recommended, as you can see. If it's not on recommended, you want to change it to the recommended and then you want to refresh again. Then after that, you want to find the game that you're having the trouble with. Let's just say it's Terraria. Then you go to properties, and in properties, you want to look for, okay, this is a Steam game, so you cannot actually do it on this one. Then you have to do it through the Steam. But let's just say it's Overwatch, then go to properties and then compatibility. Then you want to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and you want to activate these two as well. Now see if that works. If that doesn't work, try and disable this and see if that works. If you want to do it with a Steam game, you have to find a exe file. So go to Steam, installed files, browse, and then find the terraria.exe and then you can do it from in here. Now, after you've done all of this, you want to see if it works. And if it still doesn't work, what you can do is open up the task manager, go to processes, and you can even go to details, which will show you even more detailed. But you want to close down anything that you're not using or anything such as recording devices and stuff like this, because sometimes they can hide your cursor. One of the common ones is something called metal. If you have that one, just close it down and it should also help fix it. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.